We gaze at the vast expanse of the cosmos filled with awe and wonder. The night sky, a canvas of twinkling stars, stretches infinitely above us, inviting us to ponder the mysteries of the universe. Each star, a distant sun, holds secrets of time and space, whispering tales of creation and destruction. Stars are born, galaxies collide, and black holes dance in the cosmic ballet. This celestial performance, unfolding over billions of years, is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. Nebulas, the birthplaces of stars, glow with vibrant colors, while galaxies, vast collections of stars, engage in gravitational dances that shape the cosmos. But what if I told you that this grand universe also resides within each of us? As we stand beneath the night sky, we are not just observers, but participants in this cosmic story. The same forces that govern the stars and galaxies also flow through us, connecting us to the universe in profound ways. Our bodies, seemingly finite and separate, are in reality microcosms of the universe. The intricate patterns on our skin, the complex structures within our cells, mirror the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. We are living, breathing reflections of the universe's grandeur. We are made of stardust, ancient atoms forged in the hearts of distant stars. These atoms, having traveled across the universe, now form the very essence of our being. Our eyes, windows to our souls, contain the same elements that light up the night sky. Our very existence is a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, everything is woven together in a delicate web of existence. The cycles of day and night, the changing seasons, all reflect the rhythms of the cosmos. Just as the universe is a symphony of energy and vibration, our bodies are intricate networks of energy fields and vibrating atoms. Every cell, every molecule, vibrates with the energy of life, creating a harmonious resonance that connects us to the universe. Every breath we take, every beat of our hearts, echoes the rhythms of the cosmos. Our heartbeat, a steady drum, mirrors the pulsating stars, while our breath, a gentle breeze, flows in harmony with the cosmic winds. We are not separate from the universe. We are the universe experiencing itself. In moments of stillness and meditation, we can feel this connection deeply, sensing the universe within us and around us. We are the stars, the galaxies, the very fabric of the cosmos, living and breathing in unison with the universe. Physics reveals the profound unity that underpins the cosmos. Einstein's famous equation, E = mc2, demonstrates the interchangeability of energy and matter. Everything is energy, vibrating at different frequencies. Just as light can behave as both a wave and a particle, we too exist as both physical beings and fields of consciousness. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs influence the very fabric of our being, shaping our reality. Quantum entanglement, the strange phenomenon where two entangled particles influence each other instantaneously regardless of distance, hints at a deeper connection that transcends space and time. Perhaps our minds too are entangled with the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. Consciousness, that elusive quality that defines our existence, can be seen as a spectrum, a tapestry woven from different states of awareness. These states, though distinct, are interconnected, flowing seamlessly from one to another. The ancient wisdom traditions, from the yogis of India to the shamans of the Americas, have long recognized these states of consciousness. They understood that by exploring the inner landscape of our minds, we could unlock profound insights into the nature of reality. Let us journey through these states of consciousness, unveiling the secrets they hold. Deep sleep, a state of complete unconsciousness, might seem like a period of nothingness. But even in this state of oblivion, the universe within continues its intricate dance. Our bodies repair and rejuvenate, guided by the innate wisdom of our cells. Our minds, freed from the constraints of the waking world, wander through the ethereal realms of the subconscious. Deep sleep is a return to the cosmic womb, a state of pure potentiality from which we emerge each morning, refreshed and renewed. Like a seed buried in the fertile ground, we gather the energy to blossom into the fullness of our being. Section 5. Dreaming, the universe of the mind. As we emerge from the depths of deep sleep, we enter the realm of dreams. Here, the boundaries of reality dissolve and the landscapes of our minds unfold in all their surreal glory. Dreams are the language of the subconscious, a kaleidoscope of images, emotions, and symbols that hold profound meaning. They can be windows into our deepest fears and desires, offering insights into the hidden workings of our minds. In the dream state, we are like cosmic travelers exploring the infinite possibilities of the universe within. Section 6. Waking state, a world of perceived reality. The familiar world of the waking state, a world of sensory experiences and perceived realities, can sometimes seem like the only reality. We wake up each day, greeted by the sounds of the city, the hustle and bustle of life, and the myriad of activities that fill our day. This sensory overload can make us believe that this is all there is. We go about our daily lives, interacting with the world through our senses, often forgetting the vast universe that resides within. The stars above remind us of the infinite possibilities, yet we are so engrossed in our routines that we seldom look up. Each interaction, each moment, is a dance of perception and reality. Yet even in this waking state, we are constantly creating our reality through our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Our minds are powerful tools, shaping the world around us in ways we often don't realize. The electrical impulses in our brain are like the stars in the sky, each one contributing to the vast tapestry of our existence. Our perceptions shape our experiences, coloring the world with our own unique hues. Just as a nebula is a collection of gases and dust forming a beautiful cosmic picture, our thoughts and feelings combine to create the reality we experience. Every shooting star is a reminder of the fleeting moments that make up our lives. The waking state is a stage upon which we play out the dramas of our lives. Each day is a new act, each interaction a new scene. We are the actors, directors, and audience of our own stories, constantly shaping and reshaping the narrative. It is a realm of action where we have the opportunity to manifest our dreams into reality. By reaching out to the stars, we remind ourselves of our potential. The glowing star in our hand symbolizes the dreams we hold dear, waiting to be brought to life. In this waking state, we are the creators of our own universe, painting our reality with the brushstrokes of our imagination and willpower. Section 7. Transcendental Consciousness, the mind knowing itself. Beyond the familiar states of waking, dreaming, and deep sleep lies a fourth state of consciousness, a state known as transcendental consciousness. This state is often described as a realm of pure awareness, where the mind is completely at rest yet fully alert. It is a state that transcends the ordinary experiences of daily life, offering a glimpse into the deeper layers of our existence. This is the state of pure awareness, the experience of the observer behind the observed. In this state, the mind is not engaged in the usual activities of thinking, feeling, or perceiving. Instead, it rests in its own nature, aware of itself without any external distractions. It is a profound experience of inner stillness and clarity. Transcendental consciousness is not a state of thinking or feeling. It is a state of pure being. It is a state where the mind is free from the constant chatter and noise of everyday thoughts. In this state, one experiences a deep sense of peace and contentment, as if the mind has found its true home. It is the mind knowing itself, the experiencer experiencing itself. This self-reflective awareness is a unique aspect of transcendental consciousness. It is as if the mind turns inward and becomes aware of its own existence, independent of any external objects or stimuli. In this state, we transcend the limitations of the individual mind and connect with the universal field of consciousness. This connection brings a sense of unity and oneness with the entire cosmos. It is an experience that goes beyond the boundaries of the personal self, revealing the interconnectedness of all life. This state, though subtle, can be accessed through various techniques of meditation and mindfulness. Practices such as deep meditation, mindful breathing, and focused attention can help quiet the mind and open the door to transcendental consciousness. With regular practice, one can cultivate the ability to enter this state more easily and frequently. It is a state of profound peace, bliss, and expanded awareness. In this state, one feels a deep sense of harmony with the universe, a feeling of being at one with all that is. It is a transformative experience that can bring lasting changes to one's perception of life and reality. Section 8. Unlocking the cosmic potential. Understanding these states of consciousness is not merely an intellectual exercise, it is a key to unlocking our full potential. By exploring the inner landscape of our minds, we can tap into the infinite reservoir of creativity, wisdom, and power that resides within. When we access transcendental consciousness, we connect with the source of all creation. We align ourselves with the cosmic intelligence that governs the universe. This alignment empowers us to live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. We become more compassionate, creative, and intuitive. We begin to experience the interconnectedness of all things, recognizing the divine spark that resides within each of us. Section 9. The Symphony of Existence. The universe is a symphony of energy, vibration, and consciousness. We are not separate from this symphony, we are integral notes within it. Our bodies, minds, and spirits are reflections of the cosmic dance. By understanding the interconnectedness of all things, by exploring the inner landscape of our minds, and by accessing the state of transcendental consciousness, we can begin to play our unique part in the grand symphony of existence. May we all awaken to the cosmic connection that binds us all, and may we use this understanding to create a more peaceful, just, and sustainable world.